Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study plan in civil engineering step by step. Start by listing core subjects, set weekly goals, and allocate study blocks for theory, problem solving, and labs. Prioritize fundamentals like statics and materials, and schedule regular revision sessions. Use active recall, spaced repetition, and practice past questions under timed conditions. Join study groups, seek mentorship, and track progress with simple metrics to adjust your plan. Design a weekly routine that balances lectures, assignments, and problem sets. Allocate focused 50-minute blocks with 10-minute breaks and include one long review session. Rotate subjects to avoid fatigue and use evening summaries to consolidate learning. Include hands-on lab prep and fieldwork practice each week. Reserve Sundays for mock tests and conceptual reviews. Adjust intensity based on upcoming exams and project deadlines, while keeping rest and hydration routines. Focus on active techniques that build problem solving and retention. Solve past problems, teach concepts aloud, and create one-pagers for formulas and key principles. Use spaced repetition apps and flashcards for definitions, units, and code clauses. Practice sketching and dimensioning to improve drawing speed and accuracy. Combine group problem sessions with individual timed drills. Reflect weekly on mistakes and convert them into specific action items for study.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.